問佢哋，而佢哋係答應，其實係一種奇蹟嚟嘅。
But specifically, Paul is a great singer, and we knew he needed to sing in the movie.
因為Paul 係一個唱歌好叻嘅人，咁我哋知道電影裏邊係需要唱歌。
And we also wanted someone who didn't look like a handsome Hollywood boy.
而我哋好想揾一個係一個點嘅荷里活典型靚仔。
Just like someone fragile, you know, and relatable, and he fit that bill for us.
而你可以睇得到呢一個演員係可以表露一啲比較脆弱嘅一面。
And also, I could talk for forever about why I wanted Paul Daniel to do the movie. Also, he's a writer and a filmmaker, and I like working with actors who are artists, you know, not just actors, you know.
因為 Paul 亦都係編劇同埋一個電影人，所以係好明白電影。
And Daniel Radcliffe, a lot of the same reasons. He can sing, and he's a very smart artist, and everyone we talked to said he was a pleasure to work with.
而 Daniel Radcliffe 亦都係一個好聰明同埋好有天才嘅演員啦，亦都識唱歌。
Plus, it's extra funny that Harry Potter is a dead body.
同埋我哋又請下 Harry Potter 玩咗死屍，特別有意思，特別好玩。Good. Time for the last question. 最後一個問題。Okay. I don't know. I thought it was actually. I don't know. Maybe we have time.
We're actually asking.
Three of you share one bag.
Okay. Actually, I know the ending is an open ending for us to think about, but we're just a bit confused. Does that mean that Paul is actually he's lost but not quite lost because he was found in the city at the end? So does that mean that he was lost but not that lost? So it also implies that when you explore about life, you get a bit lost in your mind somehow.
呢個問題係關於迷失，因為到個故事嘅最後結局嗰度嗰時咧，你發現其實我哋嗰兩位主角係喺一個城市之中嘅。咁呢種迷失係咪因為喺佢自己本身嗰個腦袋裏邊諗嘢或者做人或者生存一種迷失咧，而唔係一定話係離開咗一個好遠嘅地方去到方島咧
？I like your interpretation a lot.
我好中意你嘅演繹嘅睇法。
He was lost but not too lost.
係啊
or not that lost.
迷失，但其實唔係太迷失。Very good.
And I think you, by saying that, you also by saying the thing about him being lost in his mind is very appropriate too, because for us, the most important thing was that the movie make emotional sense, that you understand what he's emotionally going through, even if some of the geography is ambiguous. So hopefully that is the case.
故事裏邊嘅感情起伏，我哋應該係好易有共鳴同埋好易明白到。但係咧，似乎係有一啲所謂嘅精神失常。嗰種精神失常咧，就係我哋睇我哋點樣睇呢個故事。
Thank you.
Maybe we have time for one last tote bag. Final tote bag. 最後一個喺呢度。I'm just being nice.
Yeah, go ahead.
You can shout it if you want, but I want something running up.
I don't quite get it because I think the father kind of felt ashamed when he found that his son was having like kind of weird relationship with the dead body. But then when he found that the body could actually be moved by a thought, his face was funny. So I just wonder how you interpret that.
想問問父親個角色，當然咧，父親發現個仔係可能有啲精神失常，同個死屍有個關係之後，咁好似覺得係好唔自在。但係到尾咧，你睇到父親係最後笑嘅，點解笑 ？Why smile or why laugh at the end?
Yeah, he is absolutely ashamed of his son at first.
當然父親起頭係有一種羞恥咯。
And it was important to us that Hank doesn't get the girl at the end. Like that didn't seem like a good ending.
我哋覺得呢個故事嘅 ending 呢個係冇可能係我哋 Hank 可以揾到呢個女仔同個女仔係同佢一齊。
But we wanted him to have something, you know, like something. There'd be some hope.
但係希望阿 Hank 仲可以喺最後會有一啲所謂嘅得着。
So for us, like that moment with his dad was very important to us because we wanted to make sure that the dad hope that after this movie ends, Hank and his dad reconnect.
即係當然希望就係父親到最後其實係明白個仔，或者個仔同個父親係結果係可以建立到少少關係。希望喺個電影完咗之後，父親同仔係甚至可以復合添。
And for us, the whole ending of the movie, we wanted all the people to have every emotion that someone in the theater might have. So we wanted someone to laugh, so the baby laughs, and someone to just hate it, so Sarah is not into it, and for someone to be kind of moved by it. So we just wanted to hit all the emotions that you might hit.
亦都睇到最後嗰時就係睇嗰個情景嗰度嗰6、7個人，每一個人都好唔同嘅反應，甚至可以係話反映到喺電影院裏邊觀眾不同嘅反應，由憎恨一直到中意，甚至係開心到笑。I think we are really running out of time.
Great.
Thank you very much. And a reminder, actually, our director, Daniel, will be there for this entire weekend. So if you still have questions for him, you might catch him at some other time.
Yeah.
導演一直喺度嘅成個週末，所以咧睇多啲 Sundance Festival 嗰啲戲咧，我哋又撞到佢，又可以同佢傾偈。Thank you.
Thank you.
You invite them to